So here we are at the updates page. In this video, I want to show you how to go ahead and create the blog posts that will show up on this page. So I'm going to go ahead and open the administrative interface up here in a new window. And I'm going to go ahead and come over here to posts. And you'll see what I have here is a place that normally all posts will get listed, but I don't have any posts here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add New. And I could have also clicked this Add New right here. That would have taken me to the same place. It's going to take me to the post editor over here, and I'm going to go ahead and put in sample post. And then down here in this area, I'm going to go ahead and put in some placeholder text. And then I'll go ahead and put a line and add, let's say, a SoundCloud clip. Insert the shortcode. Excellent. There we are. Okay. I'm going to come down here to the discussion area, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the commenting system off. Actually, you can if you don't want people to be able to make comments on the post, you can go ahead and turn them off. Actually, I'll go ahead and leave them on so you can actually see what the comment section looks like. Over here, under categories, I'm going to go ahead and click Updates, and I'm going to go ahead and set a featured image. I'll set this one right here. Okay. So I've set a featured image. I've given my post a category of updates. It didn't have to be updates. I could have actually even added a new category from right here if I wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and allow comments. I'm going to go ahead and leave the format as standard. And I've added in my content, and I've got my title. So now I'm going to go ahead and publish. So once that's published, I'm going to go ahead and come back over here to the updates page. And as soon as this finishes updating and everything's been saved to the database, excellent, perfect, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. And now you'll see over here, I've got our image. This is our featured image, and here is our link to the sample post. Another link that says read more up here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and that is going to actually take me into the post itself, and you'll see that I have the featured image up here up top. We have a sample post. We have our sample text right down here, and here is our SoundCloud player. Working perfectly. Excellent. And right down here is where people can leave comments. Now, I'm logged in, so it's not asking me for a name and an email address as it normally would if I was logged out. So now, if you don't want to allow comments on a particular post, just uncheck these and click Update. And then when you come back out here, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page for you, you can see that the comment section then completely disappears. It doesn't matter if the person's logged in or they're not logged in. Once you remove the comments, come down here, you can see that entire comment section just completely disappears. Very easily just to add it or delete it. Very simple to do. Once you've created a post, now let's say that you no longer want this post here. For instance, now there's a couple of things that you can do. One, you can either just send the post to the trash, is what you can do, and that will just send it over here to the trash, and then it doesn't permanently delete it, but you can come over here and empty the trash, and then that will delete it permanently, or click delete permanently, and it will. Or I'm going to go ahead and restore the item and come back over here to all of our items. If you don't want it currently available up front, but you don't want to trash it, like let's say you just want it as a draft, you can actually come over here to the status where it says published right here. Click edit and just change that to draft and click OK. Now that I've changed that to draft, it's still a post, and as you'll see, I'll come over here once this is saved. I'll come over here to all posts, and as you take a look at the all posts section, you'll see that the drafts are still available under the all posts. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's not in the trash. But if I come out here and I refresh our updates page, we'll see that this isn't actually available now on the updates page because this is a draft. So just remember that if you don't want to send something to the trash, you do want it to be, when you click on post, you want it to be available to you, but you don't want it to be available to the public. Just set the status as draft, and then that will go ahead and leave that available to the public. Now, if you don't want to post anymore, like I said before, it's gone, you want to completely get rid of it, just click trash, and that will send it to the trash. And then once you're in the trash, you can either delete it permanently here, or just click the empty trash button, and that will empty all the items that are in your trash all at once. Now you'll notice when I clicked empty trash, I did not get a confirmation. likewise, when you click delete permanently, you will not get a confirmation. Sending stuff to the trash is your confirmation. So just remember that here in WordPress. When you do click empty the trash or delete permanently, the items or item will automatically be deleted, and they will be permanently deleted. So just remember that once you've sent it to the trash, that will happen when you do delete any item. But you can easily restore it from the trash, and also if you do not want it in the trash, you just want it as pending. Just remember to set the post status to draft. So anyway, that is how you add and delete posts here in the WordPress system, and they will show up right out here on the updates page.